front porch sitting as the thunder sings its blues. Every drop kicking up the dust on my road, washing life back into the fields we grow. Wildflowers waking up by the fence line gate. Creeks were asleep but running like they're awake. Lord, tell me how sad gray skies can pour down, makes this life so beautifully alive on the ground. You can hang 1,000 paintings on a wall, but they'll never catch this here magic at all. Summer rain falling soft and slow, breathing new life into our world below. Blooming these flowers, greening these pines, turning our hard times into peaceful minds. Oh, what a beautiful, blessed sight to see. Heaven dripping your blessings on hickory trees. No, a painting could never quite explain the living wonder of this summer rain. Corn stalks swaying like a Sunday choir, steam rising warm from the old barbed wire. Birds start singing when the storm rolls by, like they know the sun's coming back in the sky. But on our boots and loving the breeze, some ice cold sweet tea underneath the leaves. Every little drop touching everything, even turns dead brown dirt into songs I'd sing. Rain on the river, rain on the fields, rain touches anything, look how it heals. From the smallest bloom to the tallest oak, life keeps rising from the rain and smoke. This summer rain falling soft and slow, breathing new life into our world below. Blooming these flowers, greening these pines, turning our hard times into peaceful minds. Oh, what a beautiful, blessed sight to see. Heaven's dripping blessings on hickory trees. No painting could never quite explain the living wonder of this summer rain. This rain falling wild and free, like God's own brushstroke masterpiece. Blooming flowers, cool in this heat. Oh, let it wash this whole world clean. Yeah, the living wonder of a summer rain. Oh,